move the bar, the timeline bar. Where's the timeline bar? I mean, I guess it's still loading, so the timeline bar hasn't appeared yet. But assume it's working. Just refresh this. Meanwhile, let's see motion, not structure. For a channel, for a 10-hole channel, or no, let's say we can just do 12-hole channel. Let's do 12-hole channel. So 312. So we can replace this. Replace this by a 3-hole one. So this is the fun thing about Onshape, is that you can just replace parts that you don't like by another part that you think is going to work. So structure, channel. This was 13-hole, so we're going to do 12-hole. Yeah, sure. And then we're going to do that too on this side. Edit and replace this with 12-hole one. Where do I go here? Structure, channel, boop, 12-hole. Done. And then you need to kind of keep in mind this mate since you added this. So previously we moved it 336, so you need to move it negative 312 divided by 2. So this is going to fix the thing. So as you can see now, we are in the safe zone. We are not out of the 457 by 457 thing. Hooray. The reason why I made that mistake is that we originally used 3mm plates, not 5mm plates. So I mean, I guess that means we, in the design on the deco season, we had an extra of 2 times 4, which is extra 8mm, which made the margin enough. In this case, yeah, if we use 5mm plates, then we need to reduce the size here. So yeah, the strive train is basically done. So let's have some fun. Let's do some pocketing. So let's do edit in context. So there's this custom stroke tool called Cheese It. You choose it here, cheese it. So you can add it in by doing the add custom feature and just search for cheese it. And do. So we choose the face you lighten, which is the face that we want to pocket. Let's just ignore any. We don't need to do any custom regions. It's going to do it for us. We just need to wait for it to do its magic. Additionally, as you can see here, this is actually pretty far off the ground of the spaces. So essentially what you can do is, if you want in your own design, you can move these up a little bit to make some more space. Like you're gonna have to like pattern this up and transform this part up too by a couple millimeters to create a little bit more space down here, or you can just like add a chunk down here if you want, because I think the less wheelie part is shown, the more pretty it is. But yeah, right now it has error generating. Why does it have error generating? But bro, you could do this, man. Cheese It is not happy today. Oh yeah, sure, it worked now. So as you can see here, we can do the shape width, thickness of walls, and the tool radius. So the tool radius is basically when it's the C and seed, so there are going to be fillets here. So the fillets are for the tool radius. The thickness of walls is basically, I think, the distance between this and the shape width is kind of like, you can see like there's an ISO grid, so the shape width is kind of like, basically like this is, I mean, it's just like the measure of size. It creates kind of grid to use to generate these shapes. So we can just this tube like be larger. Like you can see this is a bit too ugly. So if we make this larger, it's gonna probably be a bit cooler. It takes quite a little bit of time. So it needs to generate. Come on, man, you can do this. I believe in you. You can do this. I believe in you. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Yes. Whatever. You can play with this yourselves. I'm gonna refresh this. Maybe it magically finished. Who knows? Oh yeah, right. So I think these threads are a little bit too thin, so I'm gonna make this 6mm threads. Yeah, and yeah, right. Then that's a pocketed side plate, and then you do the same for the other one. So you usually pocket when you're doing aluminum. You do not pocket if you are doing, if you're doing PC. So like this is like the final thing for PC. This is, if you do aluminum, you need to reduce the weight, so then you pocket. So yeah, just do the same thing again. It saves your preference. Why is this hex? Not hexagon, isogrid. And wait for it. You could do this on shape. Think faster. Why did not generate properly? Think faster. I believe in you. Actually selected an extra custom region. We do not have custom regions, so ignore that. And wait for us to do its magic. And yeah. I wonder why it did not show on the outer side plate. Well, it showed up in the inner side plate. Sometimes you just need to refresh. Let's go. Hooray. Now we have our cool aluminum side plate here. Very strong, out of aluminum with a lot of standoffs. And, well, yeah, here we are. And great, you've done this. Stuck with us through this very long tutorial. How long is this? I do not know how long is this, but yeah, you finish your parallel drive, Swyft drive. So hooray! Actually, how long is this front to end? I just want curious. I did not calculate this far in. I think it should not be more than 257. Well, 457, and I'm pretty sure it's not. So yeah, 408. So you can actually add like around another 40mm